Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk is of the GPT partition style in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to press Shift key and F10 key together. Again, Shift key and F10 key together, and you would be able to open this window. Okay? We're here, you need to type for diskpart, diskpart. Click on enter, and your role will ask you to say yes. Proceed with yes. And the moment you have the click on it, you'd be able to open a new window. Close the first so that you can focus in this new one. We're here, you need to type for list space disk. Click enter, and you would be able to see all the disk drives, the devices that is present in your Windows or computer. Now here you need to select the disk that where you wanted to install the Windows. Okay? And select the number, which is if you have other devices here or drives, you would be able to see disk 1, disk 2, disk 3, and so on. Now you need to type for select disk, then the number, which means where you wanted to install the Windows. Again, type for select disk, the number. You can also type for select disk, for example, 0, if you wanted to select your local disk. But if you want to select your drive, you can type with select disk 1, select disk 2, or whatever drive number where your Windows to be installed with. Okay? Once done, proceed on typing clean. Once done, proceed on typing convert space MBR. Once you have successfully typed all of this command text, close the window or type exit, and it will be automatically closed, and click on refresh and continue installing on Windows. But before that, select your disk first. It will be automatically selected since you have selected it in the command prompt system. Okay, you just have to click on next and then wait until the installation of your Windows would be done. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.